Welcome to today's presentation on lung recruitment maneuver. A recruitment maneuver is a sustained increase in airway pressure with the goal to open collapsed alveoli, after which sufficient PEEP is applied to keep the lung open. The goal of recruitment maneuver are to serve as part of lung protection strategy and to improve oxygenation. For example, removal of mucus plug will promote recruitment of the distal lung, and change in patient position might promote recruitment of previously collapsed alveoli. Indication: as a rescue measure to improve oxygenation, after disconnection in ventilation circuit if responsive to recruitment maneuver. Post-intubation to assess recruitability. Steps of recruitment maneuver. Before we start for the recruitment maneuver, the patient should be well sedated or paralyzed. The patient should be adequately hydrated. The patient should be hemodynamically stable and no arrhythmia. Avoid in patient with severe chronic respiratory disease, intracranial hypertension, morbid obesity, and pregnancy. Method 1. Keep the patient in a CPAP mode and deliver 40 cm of water pressure for up to 30 seconds at FiO2 while monitoring the patient for sign of adverse effects such as hemodynamic compromise. Method 2. Put patient in pressure control mode. FiO2 should be 100%. Inspiratory pressure in between 40 to 50 cm of water. PEEP 20 to 30 cm of water. Rate 8 to 10 breaths per minute. Inspiratory time should be kept 1 to 3 seconds. Duration 1 to 2 minutes. Start with lower inspiratory pressure 40 and PEEP 20, and if there is no response, go to higher pressure. Other methods: airway pressure release ventilation allows the patient to breathe spontaneously while receiving high airway pressure with an intermittent pressure release. The high pressure is used for alveolar recruitment. By promoting spontaneous breathing, it might improve alveolar recruitment to the dorsal caudal region of the lung. High frequency oscillation ventilation has also been used to increase the airway pressure and promote alveolar recruitment. Prone positioning promotes recruitment of non-aerated alveoli, which result in improved oxygenation and makes the lung more homogeneous. And now the advantage of this recruitment maneuver. Increase the number of alveoli in the dependent part of the lung participating in gas exchange. Increase lung compliance. Reduce intrapulmonary shunt, improving gas exchange in the pulmonary capillary. Disadvantage: short-term physiological benefit. Increase intrathoracic pressure, compromising hemodynamics due to reduced venous return and cardiac output for short duration. Hypotension and desaturation. Overdistension of alveoli. No significant changes in the duration of mechanical ventilation, ICU stay, and hospital stay after recruitment maneuver. Injury to the pulmonary epithelium due to increase in intrapulmonary pressure, leading to pneumothorax, pneumomediastinum, or subcutaneous emphysema. Complication: it may cause hypotension, desaturation, cardiac arrhythmias, barotoma, which may complicate it to a pneumothorax, pneumomediastinum, new yearly. That's all from today's presentation. Thank you.